What would you say to anyone who is in the same boat, who's got a store that's already been running for a while and it gets shut down? What should they do?
If you're truly innocent, like in our case, I think what saved us is like the series of events of confusion, because they did tell us, like, it really was like they told us that it was a glitch the first time. So we really truly thought it was a glitch. I don't know. I think that saved us, but I would just say, like, if you're truly innocent, compile evidence, take videos, screenshots, send invoices. I mean, send them evidence of everything that you have, for whatever they're saying that you're violating. If you really are innocent, just compile a case of innocence. And don't give up. If like that, I think that's another big thing is like people, appeal it a few times and then they like give up. But like you have to keep trying. Like, my boyfriend, he sells on Amazon, and the stuff that he's gone through. I mean, Amazon is such a more competitive game. People are sabotaging other listings. Like it's a whole other level of stuff that he goes through. And all through the years, like the thing that would always, you just have to keep fighting. You have to keep fighting, getting creative, trying to figure out a way. Because if you really are innocent, you will get it back if you don't give up trying to give it back. You know what I mean?
Yeah, Amazon support is
Yep,
tough to get through. Sometimes it feels like no one's reading your messages, but
for sure.
most people do give up after a few attempts. And I've also, on that note, I've also heard of people's either Amazon merch or Amazon KDP accounts getting shut down. And then sometimes the way that they've got them back is not by going the normal route of, clicking on the contact us button for support, but by sending an email to jeff@amazon.com, which obviously it gets passed down to like the next department, but it seems like that those emails land somewhere else where people are more likely to read it and potentially restore an account. I did make a video about that a while back, and I do still get comments occasionally of people saying, yeah, I tried this, it actually worked. So sometimes there's these kind of gaps in the system, I guess, where you might have a higher
Yeah, I
chance.
mean, post on social media. That's like the people, they hate bad PR. Tag them on Twitter. Make your case on Twitter. Like I mean, he was going through a suspension the same time we were because of a whole different reason. They were actually getting like attacked by like competitors. And so I couldn't even be upset because what he had to go through was like, wait, it was crazy because it was like almost at the same time. One Twitter post. He was down, I think, for like 11 months. We were only down for 9 months. He made one Twitter post and he got everything back.
Wow,
It's wow.
that's
They hate
crazy.
bad PR.
That's another thing as well. Social media, if the contact or the email or whatever is not really helping out, a lot of these platforms or companies, they have like a chat on their social media. Not all of them, but sometimes you can get to an end result way quicker or speak to actual people rather than like an automated response on email.